म्हापशा पालिकेचे मुख्याधिकारी कबीर शिरगांवकरा बरोबर म्हापशा वेंडर्स संघटनेची बसका जाली। स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स कायद्याप्रमाण कायदे तयार करतले, कायदेशीर सल्लो आयकून निर्णय घेतले म्हूण ह्या वेळार म्हापशा पालिकेचे मुख्याधिकारी कबीर शिरगांवकरान माहिती दिल्या। RDX खातीर म्हापशेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
वेंडर्साक कशें कितें बसोवपाचें तर आमी सराक रिक्वेस्ट केला। आमी 1/3 सध्या एट प्रेजेंट बसता, ते बसता ते आमकां पावना। सांगपाचें म्हणजे आमची 2 आठवड्यांतून 2 दीस बसता जाल्यार आमचें घर चलना। तेन्ना सर म्हणालो हे कितें आहा तें कावन्सिलाचें डिसिजन, तें आमी कावन्सिलाक मारया आनी कावन्सिलाचें डिसिजन घेतले म्हणालो। पूण एट प्रेजेंट आतां कितें जाला खबर आहा, बाजारान जे बसता पळयला ते क्लासिफिकेशन उरला। व्हेजिटेबल मार्केटाच्या अंडर जे येता पळयला ते वेंडर्स कशे वेंडर्स ते म्हणटा संदीपान सांगला प्रमाणे की व्हेजिटेबल मार्केट येता पळय ते अंडर डिफरंट क्लासिफिकेशन येता। भायर स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स बसता जे ओपन शेडीचेर बसता पळय, विदाउट शेड बसता पळय ते डिफरंट वेंडर्स येता। आनी आयज पळयशी जाल्यार 2.5 ऑफ द टोटल पॉप्युलेशन म्हणटा। आता सगळे वेंडर्स फीश मार्केट घेशी, व्हेजिटेबल मार्केट घेशी, आमचे फ्लावर मार्केटातले घेशी जाल्यार ऑलरेडी ते ऑल वेंडर्स भरले आनी भायर बसपाचे कोणी ना।
व्हेजिटेबल मार्केटान जे बसतात, व्हेजिटेबल मार्केटान जे वेंडर बसतात ते स्ट्रीट वेंडरान येना। हो एक विषय संदीप फुलारीन आमच्या कावन्सिलरान हाडला, पण कितपर्यंत तो धरप ना धरप तेजेर हांवें मांडले CEO चेअरपर्सना कडेन आमच्या बाब कबिरा कडेन की हे एक्ट आसा ते इंटरप्रेट करून घे, कारण लॉ कितें म्हणटा ते पळोवन करचें पडलें। बेश्टेच आमी समजून जर कितें करीत जाल्यार ते केन्नाय अनएंडिंग प्रोसेस जातलो।
Convened meeting of the TBC. This is the first meeting which has been conducted under my chairmanship. So, as you must be aware, Street Vendors Act of 2014. Under the provisions of this act, state government has enacted rules over street vendors, rules formulate Kerala, and also there is a scheme which has been devised by the state government. So, and what we have decided in the meeting today is to formulate bylaws for Mapsa Municipal Council. Bylaws will be framed as per provisions of Section 37 of the Street Vendors Act 2014. So it would be circulated among the members in the next meeting. Vendors have a dignified source of livelihood. Okay, and we are stuck still at the stage to identification of the vendors in Mapsa Municipal. That has not been done. So the purpose of convening the TBC was to identify the street vendor, but the members were of the opinion that there needs to be clarity as to who is a street vendor and who is not a street vendor. So they have suggested that a legal opinion be sought in this regard. So probably we would get that in the next 10-15 days, and we will convene a meeting again in the first week of October, and we will take a call as far as the surveys.
वेंडर कार्ड बीन घेवपाचें कितें?
That's what, like आता आयची मीटिंग जाल्ली तितून असो एक क्वेश्चन येयलो, who is a vendor and who is not a vendor. Okay, some members were of the opinion that vegetable people who are vegetable vendors, they should not be classified because they are having a shade, they are having a permanent structure. So under the provisions of the act, they should not be classified as vendors. But some are of the opinion that they won't be able to get the benefits which are envisaged under the act if we exclude them as street vendors. So we will refer, as suggested by the members of the committee, we will refer it for a legal opinion, and once we have the legal opinion, we will take a call on the survey, the street vendor surveys or we will take a call on that, and also vending zones identify karpache we will have to decide on that aspect.